Hey guys, today I'll be starting a new project, which is rebuilding this 2009 scooter with a 125cc GY6 engine from the ground up. That includes the engine, the brakes, the lights, dashboard, wiring, bodywork, and everything else in between. Now let's go inside and take a closer look at the parts that I'll be installing. Here are some of the parts that will be going onto the bike. Let's start with the engine first. I'll be rebuilding the whole engine and adding a 170cc big bore kit, which includes the cylinder, the piston and head. I'll also be adding a new carb with this high flow air filter, because I've already had issues with not enough fuel getting into the carb because of this pump. I'll be installing a new electric fuel pump, which isn't here right now. It's supposed to get here. To improve cooling, which isn't all that good, I'll be adding this oil cooler, which mounts to the oil drain plug with this, and then these go onto it. Oil filter is then moved into this housing right here. As far as the lights go, I'll be adding these projectors into the headlight with these daytime running lights, because the old ones didn't do a very good job. Also, I'll be removing scratches and polishing all the lamps and adding a UV protective coat. As far as the brakes go, I'll just do a normal maintenance to the front brakes, which includes changing the pads, cleaning them and bleeding them. But as far as the rear brakes go, I'll be adding a disc brake to the back, since the stock drum brakes are useless. So I got a second-hand caliper and a disc from another bike for that purpose, so this will go onto the back wheel. The dashboard I'll be redoing completely, since the old one was a complete garbage. So I got this main gauge right here, which shows RPM, speed, fuel level, blinkers and so on, and these two small ones, which one shows voltage. I don't know if you can see it, I don't think so, and the other one shows oil temperature. For the oil temp gauge, I'll be adding this oil temp sensor into the engine block, this one. Now, there are a lot of parts that I didn't get yet, and a lot of other things that I didn't mention here that I'll also be doing, so if you're interested, stay tuned. If you've got any questions, comments or ideas, you can write them down below and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thanks for watching and take care.